The birthday list begins with a smiling Katherine Wools. That's a beautiful sweatshirt that she has on there. I absolutely love that, Katherine, complete with the hearts and whatnot. And look at that. She's nurturing ducks at a very young age right there. A very happy second birthday to Katherine in Pittsburgh.
All right, what a cute girl there. And in Columbus, Josh Layson.
Sharp-dressed dude right there.
Yeah, dressed up for church, I see. Josh is turning 5 years old today.
Sporting a vest, I like that. Bronson Burks, B squared, chiming in at number 6. Look at that cake. That is something else there, Mr. Bronson. I hope you were able to enjoy that and look forward to football season. He celebrates in Girard.
All right, and we've got a Seneca Elementary kindergartner here celebrating birthday number 6 this year, Miss Landry Schultz.
Well, Shelby, I haven't seen him in a long time. Happy birthday, Landry. Jake Lewis, he has an 8th birthday, and look at that catch right there. That's how you get it done there, Jake. Nicely done, nicely done. A big happy 8 to Jake in Fort Scott.
Jax Hale turning 11 years old this year. A little Titan pride there in Columbus with birthday love coming from mom, dad, and sis.
That's great. That's a great photo. I don't know who took that. That's really cool, though. I like that. Kirk Patrick is now double digits as Brock is celebrating his 10th birthday in Walnut. And now that you're 10, kiddo, these birthday wishes come with love from Dad, Marina, your brother, and your entire family.
All right, nice photo there. Avery Long celebrating Sweet 16 this year in Neosho. Happy birthday, Avery.
Miss Madison Russian is celebrating her 24th birthday. Madison, a very happy birthday to you in Pittsburgh.
Matthew Johnson turns 33 years old this year. Keep on smiling there, Matthew in Joplin.
I'm trying to see what that shirt says. The Duke of, I don't know what the bottom of it says though. I'm curious now, Matthew. Jim Jarvis is celebrating his 52nd birthday. Jim, a very happy birthday to you as he shows his award for being recognized as Girard's Volunteer of the Year. So congratulations, Jim, on the award, and a very happy birthday to you.
All right, congratulations, Jim. Leah Jackson turning 69 years old this year. Miss Leah is in Goodman, Missouri.
Oren Burris, a happy 82nd birthday as we turn back the clock with the picture. Mr. Oren is in Nevada, and Mr. Burris, I want you to know that these birthday wishes come with love from your daughter, Jean.
All right, and we've got happy birthday from the entire family with lots of love going out to Miss Wanda Lytle. Wanda is 94 years old this year in Iola, Kansas.
Yeah, also 94 is the wonderful Lucille Mitchell. Now, you see that little bundle of joy right there in Lucille's arms? Well, that is her great-great-granddaughter, Katie. And Katie is 2 weeks old. And you can tell by the smile on Lucille's face that Katie's simply lighting up her life. Lucille, a very happy birthday. She celebrated over the weekend, but we wanted to carry it over so we could show Lucille and Katie together in Chanute.
All right. Imogene Jones celebrating a birthday. Imogene is at Medical Lodges in Columbus, a resident there. Happy birthday to you. Brittany Spencer turning 22 in Hume with love from Grandpa and Grandma Graham. And in Pittsburgh, Teresa Wren, happy birthday.
I'll tell you what, I was in Hume not too long ago. They're some of the nicest people. My goodness, you folks up there are just delightful. Gail McDonald, a very happy birthday in Quapaw. According to my notes, I'm simply supposed to say Gail is another year older. But then again, at some point in time, aren't we all? Brad and Lisa Johnson, a hearty congratulations to you. They are celebrating their 13th anniversary, and the Johnsons celebrate in Thayer. So a happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. Here's where you can send them into. Birthdays at KOAMTV.com. You can also go to our website at KOAMNewsNow.com. Now here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club.